This is our first episode today in learning to golf and the steps you would take as a beginning golfer on what you do. This is a question that we get asked in the golf industry a lot. Maybe you've got friends that are golfers or somebody that's encouraging you to take up the game. Lots of ways to do that, and there's a ton of information, so we're going to have several more episodes on what you would do and how it would be the least intimidating. The first thing you can always do, whether you go to a driving range, which is almost like a practice field on how to learn how to actually hit a golf ball before actually going on the golf course, or going to a golf course itself, is you can rent a set of clubs. And those clubs, depending on the region you're in, could be anywhere from maybe $10 all the way up to $50, depending on the type of clubs they are. But I would recommend, actually, as your very first step, going to somewhere like Facebook Marketplace. You could even go to a garage sale. You can get these incredible deals at garage sales. But Facebook Marketplace is a great place to start. I've gone on and logged in already and just entered golf club set. The very first search result has $160, women's right-handed, full set of golf clubs. When I click on that set, there's a few things that you want to be cognitive of when you're looking at purchasing a golf set. The first thing you want to look for is to ensure it's actually a full set of clubs, because clubs are sold in components. Typically you buy clubs as a set of irons, a set of woods, and then you find a putter that you like. First thing I notice here is the irons are included in this set of clubs, which is key. These would be your intermediate length of clubs that you would be hitting after you progress a little bit and you learn how to grip a club and actually how to swing it. Go along here, you can see the full set of irons from sand wedge, pitching wedge. We'll talk about that, but this is a full set of irons, which is great. This is a women's set. And then it's actually even got a golf bag, a putter, which is the short distance when you get on a green. We'll talk about a green in the next episode and what that looks like. And then these four clubs right here are actually called woods. Now, a long time ago, they were actually made out of wood. Today, technology's increased so much, they're out of precious metals, carbon fiber, so many interesting things, but don't worry about that right now. The key today is not getting the best set of clubs, it's simply getting a set that you can get into your hands that you can start practicing with. Definitely one of the key components in making sure you have a full set is make sure it comes with a golf bag. You don't want to show up to the golf course or the driving range holding your clubs like this. That would be a little bit awkward, wouldn't be super comfortable. So as you can see in this set, it includes a golf bag. Don't worry about where the clubs sit in the golf bag. It just doesn't matter right now, but make sure you've got a golf bag included. Two other things I would highly recommend you get when you first go to a golf course. The first thing is, as a right-handed golfer, make sure that those clubs are right-handed and get a left-handed golf glove. Golf glove is relatively cheap. It could be $10 to $15. You don't need a premium glove in any regard. But if you're a left-handed golfer, get a right-handed glove. The other thing that people ask a lot is, what about golf shoes? What about some of these other tech items that I see all my friends using? Don't worry about those things right now. Get a good set of runners with great stability and great support, and that's really all you need. Set of golf gloves, a glove, a good set of runners. See you on the putting green in our next episode.